Today we're going to be looking at RAM. No, not that RAM. This RAM. Is adding more RAM going to make your PC faster? Yes and no. If you have 8 gigs of RAM and you're not using more than 8 gigs of RAM during your normal use when you're playing games, watching YouTube videos, or whatever else you're doing, then adding more RAM is not going to make your PC any faster. When do you want to add more RAM? When you run out. Open the programs that you would normally have open. Open up that game. Open up a bunch of tabs in Chrome. Check your usage. Open up Task Manager and see how much RAM you're actually using. If you have 8 gigs installed and you're only using 6, you don't need any more RAM. If you have 8 gigs installed and you're using more than the 8 gigs, now your PC is using your hard drive as RAM. If this is the case, then more RAM will definitely benefit your system. If it's not being utilized, it's basically a waste of money. Well, thanks for stopping by, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe.